Hello, I had a few people contacting me about what do I use to paint these older machines, and the method I usually take them down to bare metal if I can. We were on this one yesterday, taking the root of the boom down to most of it's bare metal now, and I get a few more jobs this morning to complete. Bit more rubbing down to do wire brush or whatever, and people have asked me what paint I use. So in my time with British Rail, we used this green anti-rust phosphate primer, which is I've used it for well over 30 years, nearly 40 years, no problems. We use it on the railways quite a lot. I use red oxide and green primer. It used to be Williamson's paints, but it's Thomas Howse and Sons. It trades under now. This is the type of paint I use, which is anti-corrosive primer green, specialist paint. I found it lasts a long time and does a good job. It covers well, it covers quite thick, and I've used it on many restoration jobs and it's been successful. So the main secret is preparation. So yesterday we spent about 5 hours just cleaning this base point of the boom, this 35-foot boom. So it was a really dirty job, a combination using flat disc angle grinder with a wire brush and needle gun. So we've got a little bit more to do this morning to complete it, and then we'll blow it down with see, it's starting to rust already, look. Blow it down with airline, and the best way to do this job is to take it on in little chunks, because it's such a big machine. So what I should have done yesterday really was prime the bit I'd done, but as you can see, I did this last week, this little section. Basically it's just finishing off the target for today, which is just this base of the boom, first sort of 15 foot or so, and up to there. I'd be satisfied if I can get it to there. I got a bit to do up the top there on that top cover, and that would be today's task. It's had quite a lot of work yesterday. Me and Neil worked pretty hard on this yesterday to get where we are today, but it was black last night. I was covered in shit, and you see all the flaky paint, all the flaky cleaner in there. So first stage now is to complete the rubbing down and start putting some primer on, some anti-corrosive primer on that first part of the boom. So it's a lot of work, and it's a lot of metal to cover. We've gone through gallons of paint, dozens and dozens of nuts and bolts replacing it, and the plan is now to get this base done this morning, and it should start it's looking good now, but it's look really, as it gets along now, it'll look great. So a big thanks to Gary Plant at Robert Howse and Sons. I think it's Robert Howse, and it was Thomas Howse and Sons, Thomas Howse and Sons, for this help with paint supply and advice. But yeah, she's getting there. You can see where she used to obviously used to be a data plate in here at one time, so it's a bit more. Fortunately, look at this. I had a bit of a damp night last night, so I shall report on the progress a bit later on in the day. So it's 9 o'clock in the Ronda, and I shall be back later on with progress report.